Welcome to day 11. So today we're going to use the ISQL prompt for NapoGenMo and NapoWriMo, National Poetry Generative Month, National Poetry Writing Month. And today prompt is a bag full of similes. So to make it a little harder on ourselves, what we're going to do today, we're going to take this prompt and start it off with the rules of the Rite In Rolls system. And then to even make it harder, we have to use similes that came from the Haiku generator that we did in Python for another day. And once again, hope you enjoy. More description of what was actually written will be in the description. You can also check out the blog post, which would also have information of where you can find the other poems and the other stuff. Thank you very much. So let's start this off hard. So we are going to have similes that first line starts with X, A, E, Q, Y, topics, present, and forest. And let's do one more row. Let's choose hard again. And then we're also going to influence lines that start with M. Okay, so that will be our topics for the thing. And now let's go into our Python script and let's see what haikus we are generating today. Gotta make sure I run the whole script again, and now it should work. This is what we're going to deal with. And during the first one, we're going to incorporate these haiku elements in there. And then we're going to run this again. And this would be for our second one. So this is what we're going to deal with similes, and then we're going to have extra lines, of course. But this is what our generator has generated for our similes challenge. Okay. So let's get rid of that. Let's get some music in the background. Let's start this. Alright, let's begin with this topic. Alright, let's go. Go with this topic. Alright, so forest. Xavier wonders, the forest like copper worms, actions as if he was cooking to the pace of the storms, eating as if tongue was painting while chewing, cueing the roll of his tongue as enjoyment on a roller coaster. You may think of it as white clouds engaging with a toaster, being like clueless, like a dodo flew in. Alright, and let's get the other one going. Passing sports. Let's see. fumbling like the running backs in the prehistoric times. Martial arts as hard as the singer chants. Nothing will be shutting down like an ever-going server. Working out like eating at a diner while ordering past the time of the closing sign. Battling the upward winds like birds that fly with orange wings. Practicing as if time stopped, as if the greatness of the crowd could sing. Forcing the movements as a truck that won't stop. Mixing in knowledge of the past as a diver that won't flop. Nixing part of the routine like a Photoshop that has been cropped. Like a Photoshop image that has been cropped. Whimsical ideas as bright as the orange bird feathers. Baffled at the results like the ever-changing weather. Predetermined thoughts that don't exist, as if there was any meaning to the limits. And once again, so if you're wondering what we did, we used the Python script that had the haiku generator, and then we used the Rite In Rolls to start. So the topic was President Forrest. Starting or X. QY. And then for the next one, what I did a double poem, and the starting letters for the lines were F, M, N, W, B, and P. Hope you enjoy, and subscribe if you want more. Follow the channel for other coded works and how we implement creative coding and live coding within it. And hope you've been enjoying this series, because it's been fun for me. Thank you.